3 years ago, a guy who does some nuisance trapping asked me if I wanted a bunch of raw skulls that were sitting in his freezer for who knows how long. And so I said, sure, I'll take them. I didn't really have the time to do anything with them, so I just stuck them in these 2 buckets, added some water with the intention of macerating them to clean. I did not get around to doing anything with them for 3 years until now. So let's pop the top. I've literally never opened these buckets and see what 3 years in a bucket will do to a skull. And if you're wondering what all of these buckets are for, I'm doing a bunch of different maceration experiments, which maceration is just using water or bacteria enzymes to break down the tissues to clean skulls. All right, here we go. First bucket coming open here. Alrighty. Doesn't actually look too bad. You can see there's a bunch of maggot casings around the edge here, so they must have got in through there. Water looks pretty typical for maceration. Let's pull out the skulls and see what they look like. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse some of these off with some water. They're not looking that bad actually, which is great because now I didn't lose a bunch of skulls. And I'm gonna dump out the maceration water here in my bamboo. Maceration water is really good nutrition for plants. And yes, this is my house, and that is literally our bedroom window. Does not really smell around the house. If you open buckets and dump them, obviously it's going to smell a bit. Okay, so we've got a variety of skulls here, from muskrat all the way up to coyote. And wow, I gotta say, honestly, I could not tell the difference between these and just macerating a skull normally, which takes a couple of weeks. Other than some of them have some substantial corpse wax on them, which is annoying, but it can be dealt with. The turbinates perfectly fine, nothing's wrong there. The bone is not weakened at all. So yeah, several years in water, in mucky water, does not seem to have really done any negative thing to the skulls. I'm gonna throw these skulls into a bucket of clean water just to kind of freshen them up, push them over the last edge of that maceration process, and then it'll just be degreasing, whitening, and these skulls will be done. So if you have left some skulls in a bucket for some time and you're worried about it, don't worry about it. It's all good. Just continue the maceration process, go from there, you'll be just fine. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you got something out of this. My name's Hunter. I'm here in Virginia. Hope you're having a great week, and stick around because I'll be publishing some more videos.